It's EaseLandik here, and today we're talking about something super important, protecting your finances and your life and property from wildfires. Now, we all are shocked to see the devastating fires that have hit Los Angeles. It is a harsh reminder that disasters don't just affect our physical well-being, they can have a huge impact on our financial lives too. While we can't always stop a wildfire, we can take steps to financially protect ourselves before, during, and after one. We're going to cover key financial measures you need to think about, so you're not caught completely off guard. All right, let's dive into the financial side of wildfire preparedness. First things first, let's talk about what you need to do before a fire even starts. First up, insurance, your financial safety net. Insurance can sometimes feel like a necessary evil, but it's absolutely crucial in disaster situations. Here's what you need to consider. Homeowners, renters, insurance. Make sure your policy covers fire damage and that the coverage is enough to rebuild your home and replace your belongings. It's a great idea to get quotes from different companies to get the best price for a comprehensive policy. Review your policy annually. Don't just set it and forget it. As your life changes and you buy more things, you need to make sure your coverage keeps up. Understand your deductible. Know how much you'll have to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Consider building an emergency fund to cover your deductible. Next, create an emergency fund, your buffer for the unexpected. An emergency fund is your financial lifeline. It's the money you'll use when things go wrong. You've heard it before, but here's why it's so important for wildfires. Covering your deductible. As we just mentioned, an emergency fund can cover your insurance deductible. Temporary housing costs. If you have to evacuate, you'll need money for hotels or temporary rentals. Replacing immediate essentials. You might need to buy clothes, food, and other necessities while you're displaced. Now let's move on to documenting everything, your proof of ownership. You need to be able to prove what you owned and what it was worth if you need to make an insurance claim. Here's how you can do that. Take photos and videos. Walk through your home and record everything you own, including inside closets and drawers. Create an inventory list. Write down a list of all your belongings, their purchase date, if you remember, and estimated value. Store your documents securely. Keep your insurance policies, IDs, financial records, and other important documents in a fireproof safe, digital cloud storage, or with a trusted friend or family member living outside your immediate area. Okay, now let's talk about what to do during a wildfire if you need to evacuate. Firstly, grab your go bag and important documents. Time is of the essence during an evacuation. Have that go bag ready to go and include physical copies of any important documents. If it is safe to do so, back up your computer, phone, and other electronic data to cloud storage or a portable hard drive. Ensure your wildfire go bag includes a 3-day supply of non-perishable food and 3 gallons of water per person, a map with at least 2 evacuation routes, necessary prescriptions or medications, a change of clothes and extra eyeglasses, contact lenses, extra car keys, credit cards, cash, or traveler's checks, a first aid kit and sanitation supplies, a flashlight and battery-powered radio with extra batteries, copies of important documents, birth certificates, passports, property documents, bank documents, etc. Pet food and water set. Keep track of expenses. As you evacuate and make purchases, be sure to save receipts. These can be crucial for any potential insurance claims and aid when applying for disaster relief. Once the fire is gone, your work to recovery starts. These are the financial steps to take after the fire. Contact your insurance company. Immediate, don't wait, start your claims process right away and provide all your documentation, pictures, and video you captured. Your insurance company will guide you on what needs to be done and provide support. Explore disaster assistance. Look into resources from FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency, local charities, and other organizations. They might be able to provide financial assistance or other support. Look, wildfires are scary and the aftermath can be incredibly overwhelming, but knowing the financial steps to take before, during, and after can make a big difference in how quickly you can recover. This is about being prepared, proactive, and resilient. I've included links to relevant resources in the description below, including where to find more info on disaster assistance, insurance, and creating an emergency fund. Check them out, and if you have any experiences or advice to share, leave them in the comments below.